We believe that the cement is entering into a new upcycle that has no parallel in recent decade. Next few years will be characterized by higher demand growth and pricing growth, ongoing cost optimization efforts, but most importantly, restrained capacity addition, which is likely at 5% CAGR rate, and it will lead to a reset of ROIC of more than 20% levels. This is the first time we are expecting that on a cycle we will see more than 20% of ROIC. Though ROIC will keep fluctuating, but it will remain well above cost of capital. And that's why going forward, the cement companies will see the reduced cyclicality. Though the valuation wise the stock has largely re-rated and we are not expecting multiple re-rating, but going forward the stock performance will be driven by largely the cash flow generation and the EBITDA generation. If we see from a supply growth perspective, we are expecting around 5% CAGR rate over the next few years, and we are very confident on this number, as if we see the current visibility pipeline of next 2 to 3 years, the supply is coming at 5% rate. If we see the current utilization, which is itself at very low level, which is around 72%, and by exit of FY26 we are expecting around 79% utilization level. In next 2 to 3 years, most of the capacity addition will largely led by the larger players, and it will lead to the market concentration, which will increase by 200 bips to 54%. While if we see from a greenfield capacity addition perspective, at the current prices, and if it will grow at a 2.5% CAGR rate, we are expecting that for next 7 to 8 years, greenfield capacity addition will be unviable, and we will see more of a capacity addition largely through the brownfield route. While if we see from a demand perspective, we are expecting around 7% demand growth, and this will led by the infra spending and the pickup in rural and urban housing. As we see on a sustainable basis, demand growth will be higher than the supply growth. We will see a gradual improvement in the utilization level, and we are expecting around 79% utilization level by FY26 from current level of 71%. While on the pricing front, we are very conservative and we are expecting just 2.5% pricing growth over next few years, and this also includes the 1.5% of the input cost inflation. Overall, we are expecting around 15 to 20% EBITDA CAGR return in this sector. Though the valuation wise the stock has largely re-rated and we are not expecting any further re-rating. So going forward, the stock performance will be driven by the cash flow generation and the EBITDA generation. From a stock perspective, we have a top pick as a Dalmia Bharat, followed by Sri Cement and Ambuja Cement, while we also have a buy rating on the Ultratech. We have a hold rating on JK Cement, ACC and Ramco Cement.